So, ayan guys, mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito naman is, idadial lang natin is *143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then after nyan guys, piliin natin dito is yung number 6, which is yung Go Boosters. So, type lang natin yung number 6, and then send. So, ayan guys, hanapin nyo lang yung Go Watch 10. So, kung makikita nyo na sa number 2 siya, so, kaya ang itype natin is number 2. And then, tap send. So, sabi dito guys, is kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Go Watch 10, makakakuha tayo ng additional 1 GB na data for YouTube, Netflix, Vio, and Disney Plus for 1 day for only 10 pesos. So, ayan guys, makikita nyo naman is, pag nag-register tayo ng Go Watch 10, magkakaroon tayo ng extension or additional na 1 GB para sa panonood natin for 1 day. So, 10 pesos lang siya guys. So, para subscribe, type natin yung number 1, and then tap nyo lang yung send. So, ayun lang.